Do you know what this is, Clement? What does it say?
Roadrunner door. It's our new garage door.
Wireless openers.
There's two of them.
That's right, we have two doors.
Okay.
Right? One opens one door, one opens the other door. Why is it so funny?
Because once you open one door, you can open the other door.
Yeah, if you go all the way up the stairs and open it from there.
It's the wireless thing.
That's right. Okay, the first thing we need to do is put a battery in it. Then we're going to program it to the garage door opener and make sure it works before we hang it. Oh, it already has a battery in it. Fantastic. And it is plugged in. Oh, we are good to go. Oh, and it lights up. See that? Nice. All right, well, first step is done. I didn't know it came with batteries. Woo! Yee-haw! The first thing you do is press and hold these two buttons here until the lights on the keypad stop blinking. And they did. And then you enter your personal ID code. Excuse me. And then you hit the pound button. Then you press and release the enter button. And I think my garage door has a red button. So I'm going to do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then 0 to exit the program. And then now we have to go find our learn button. So let's go do that now. Alright, so right here on the garage door opener is a little button. It's red. Right here. And I'm supposed to press and hold that. Let's see. Press and release the learn button. And the LED will light within 30 seconds. Then I entered my number again. And I'm pressing the enter button. And I heard the click. So we should be good. And then it says to test, press the pin and enter. And it does. Woohoo! Excellent. Now we just need to do it with that door. Voila. Beautiful. There we have it. Voila. I need a drill bit. Perfect. It's so wobbly. Why? Oh. So as you can see, when I put this and hang it here, it's wobbly. So if you open this up, there's a place underneath the battery where you put another screw right there into the wall. So I'm going to just put one through there. One time I dropped it. And that should be secure. And it is. Let me get the cover. It's windy out here. There we are. Now,
DIY Mom has finished installing our wireless garage door openers on both doors. And I have to say that while a little skeptical in the beginning, I'm using these wireless garage door openers all the time. They're very convenient and very easy to use. It's simply press in your code and enter, and voila. So I go in and out all the time. So thank you, DIY Mom.
You're welcome.